there any secret? Before the video starts, don't forget to click subscribe. What's up, Living fam? Welcome to Living with Me. Big hug! Today's video is a highly requested one from my own personal friend since 8 years ago. So this is the picture. Yes, you're right, I started taking selfie when there's something called selfie, and the comments from my friend and family are always, how come your selfie look more beautiful than your real self? Is there any secret? Okay, so finally today I decided to share it. Actually, there's no secret but just some tactic. Let's get started. Before taking any picture, remember to ensure your face is in good condition. Example, putting on some makeup. The equipment you need is only your phone, so here is my iPhone XX Max. Firstly, you can just use your phone camera app, which nowadays I do so, but previously I used this app called Beauty Blast. Another great app is Meitu. These two apps are the two main apps that I use to take and edit picture. Next, find your background, even plain one will do, and prefer one with good lighting so you can spend lesser time adjusting the brightness. This step is the most important, which is the angle. Try different angle. For me, it's 45 degrees. From there, take a lot of selfie, and I mean a lot, until you find one that you're satisfied with. Once done, look through all the pictures and leave only those you are okay with it. Open up in Beauty Plus app. From there, you can adjust the skin tone and even beautify like smooth face, enlarge eyes, reduce head size, contour, or add makeup. But remember not to overdo it. If it's on just your phone camera app, adjust the brightness or add on filter. There you have it, a nice taken selfie ready to be posted. Easy, quick and easy. Leave your comment below to share with me. Do remember to click like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell so you'll be informed when I post a new video. New video released every Friday or Saturday. Stay awesome and enjoy taking selfie. Bye bye! These two apps are two main apps that I use to easy, quick and easy. Easy, quick, easy. Next, find a Stay awesome and enjoy taking selfie. Bye bye.